Hi everyone, presenting to you Labelize.ai. So what is Labelize.ai? So we are a decentralized marketplace for data labeling tasks. According to Cathy O'Neill, data is inherently dumb. It doesn't actually tells you anything. It has to be analyzed and interpreted. What problem does this fix? So for developing an ML model or AI supervised model, you require some data sets. Collecting those data sets from the wild is of no use if they can't be cleaned up and edited for the specific needs. Labeled and annotated datasets are bread and butter for any supervised AI model. So, what key blockers the existing platform face are for building up the supply of labelers. Centralized platform can't provide you a large number of labeler supply. But being a decentralized platform and truly global, we are building a supply of expert labelers. Also, handling hundreds of thousands of payment for a centralized platform is not truly possible. On Solana, we are making it possible for providing cheap and faster payments on daily basis to all the labelers. And obviously, repetition-based data labeling. All the activities through the labelers are on-chain proved. So Solana is uniquely suited for disbursing thousands of payment daily, and we are making global in true sense large supply of expert labelers, on-chain verified proof for task submissions, and repetition generated based on on-chain activity. So talking about current market scenario, the global data labeling solution and services market size is $11.83 billion in 2022, which is growing at a CAGR of 21.3% from 2023 to 2030. By 2030, the market size will be around $55 billion. We are making a great impact in this industry by making the work done 10x faster, making it 50x cheaper for the payments sent to the labelers, and making it 100x better for onboarding new users. So our product is you can upload your data and let our marketplace of the expert labelers transform it into powerful insights ready to supercharge your AI training. So we are currently here. We have built our MVP. In the next 3 to 4 months, we'll be making some feedback and iterations based on internal discussions and making the product market fit. By the 6 months, we'll be making the product live for the initial users. We'll be doing some marketing and gain some insights from them. After that, we'll be raising our business further, doing some BD, and after post that, there is no limit to scale. So let's have a quick product demo. Hi everyone. So let's have a quick demo of Labelize AI. So you can see this beautiful landing page on our website. So let's quickly head over to the sign up page, select our wallet. So I haven't signed up any user currently on my wallet. I can obviously go with requester or as a worker. Let's go ahead with requester. Create a new user data account. As soon as I approve and like reload the page, it will take me to the create task but page where from I can create some labeling data task for a global community of the labelers. Let's fill some random data like ML model, some random URL, and click on the create task button. I'll get this pop-up for setting up a task account. As soon as the transaction has been done, a worker can see the request here. So as you can see, we have set up this task account with my wallet here as a creator. Let's change our wallet to the worker account and request some access to this. I'll click on this. Just a minute. Hope my wallet is a worker account. Change to which already has a balance. Request access. Approve the transaction. As soon as the transaction is approved, when I refresh the page, you'll be able to see like waiting approval button here. When I go back to my wallet from which I have created this task, so that was requested to, and refresh the page and go on my dashboard for managing you can see the request pop up. So this was the wallet I requested from. I can approve it from here, confirm the transaction, and the worker is able to see uh, I created from this. So worker is able to see the submit button here. So he can submit from this modal. So thank you. This was a demo. Talking about the team behind, I am Rana Gupta. I have developed this backend of the product, and I'm also working on the business development side. Bhavit Karnatak, he has worked on the AI development part and is working on the marketing side. Shivam Shaw has developed front end part of the website. Thank you.